be working on the Meteor 350 again. The friend of mine who owns this, she's a new rider, and oftentimes with new riders, things happen. So she was doing a low-speed turn. The bike got away from her a little bit, and she didn't get hurt. She didn't really dump it, but the bike did fall over, and the lever broke right here where it's supposed to. So, good news is everything's fine. The bike looks great. Bad news is we need a new lever. So, for 50 bucks, picked up a lever online, and we're going to replace this today. So it's a really easy fix. I'll show you guys. This is a 4mm Allen, and I've got a 10. The 10 doesn't fit perfect, but the 9 seems a little tight. So I'm going to go with the 10. Shouldn't be a big deal. So we're just going to take this bolt out. What I'm doing is I'm just holding the nut on the back side. And pull this out. And there's the broken lever. So we don't need that anymore. So there's a little cup right here. It's going to go into that plunger. And I'm going to set the screw in here first so we get a good pivot point. So the lever's back on. And I'm going to start working it down into its home. Put my nut back on. And then take my 10mm, hold it from below. That's it. Bike is fixed. So you should see the tail light come on. Alright. That's it. That's all it takes to fix it. So if you guys have a lever that breaks, this is the brake lever. It's a lot easier to do than the clutch. Clutch is a little bit more involved, but not much. So if something like this does happen, don't be afraid. You can fix it yourself. Alright, any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and there'll be more content on this bike. Actually, we're going to do some more mods to it right now. And there's some more content coming on the Royal Enfield 650 GT and the Indian Scout Bobber. Alright, thanks for joining. Bye. You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go. Click on some other videos, but go home.